Welcome back to RG Security Team. Fluxion is a very powerful tool for Wi-Fi penetration testing. It does not use brute force attack to crack the password. Instead, it uses evil twin phishing attack. It creates a fake access point that looks exactly like the original Wi-Fi and jams the original access point. As a result, the user's device connects to the fake access point, and after it connects, a portal page will appear on the victim's device where it will ask for the Wi-Fi password for firmware update. If the victim gives the password, it will match the password with the handshake of the real Wi-Fi. If the password does not match the handshake file, it will show the wrong password. And if the correct password is given, it will capture it and stop the attacks. Before we start, one important thing to remember is that this video is for educational purposes only. And please do not misuse these types of tools. So let's get started. To use the Fluxion tools properly, you will need a capable Wi-Fi adapter. For this, you will need not one, but two Wi-Fi adapters. Only then you will be able to use it properly. I am using two Wi-Fi adapters for this. One is AlphaNet W103. It does not work very well, but small tasks can be done. And the second is TP-Link AC600T2U+. It is a very good adapter for Wi-Fi penetration testing. So first we will clone Fluxion tools in our system. I will clone it in temp folder, so I have moved to my temp folder. Then you give git clone command here and paste your copied URL here. Then Fluxion tools will be cloned in your system. Once the cloning is done, go to the Fluxion folder. Then you will see a script called fluxion.sh. You can launch the Fluxion tool through it. But if you are launching it for the first time on your system, you need to use the -i option. Then it will automatically download all the missing packages on your system. And this script needs to be run with sudo. Normally it will not work. You can see that it is checking all the required packages. Here all the missing packages will be installed automatically. So all these packages are already installed in my system. When all these tools are installed in your system, these tools will be launched. So first you have to select which language you want to use. Here some languages of different countries are given. So here we will use English, which is present at number 5. So I typed 5. Then you will see two types of attacks here. One is captive portal and the second is handshake snooper. So first we will capture the handshake and then we will use evil twin attack to recover the password of the handshake that we capture. So first I will start the second attack, handshake snooper. For that I type 2. Next you need to set your Wi-Fi interface, which interface you want to use. You can see that I have two adapters showing, so I want to use the TP-Link adapter to capture the handshake. Here you don't need two adapters to capture the handshake, so I'm typing 2. After that, the monitor mode will be enabled on the interface you selected here. Then here you select the channel you want to monitor and which frequency. You can monitor all networks here, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, or 2 channels. Or you can monitor a specific channel. So here I will monitor the 2.4 GHz channel, so I typed 1. Then here it will search for the networks near you, and the list of networks that are within your range will keep coming here. And when you find your target here, then press Ctrl+C to close this window. And here the list of all the scanned networks will be displayed. You can see here the list of networks around me has come up. Among them, my target is also there. Here I will select my own Wi-Fi, which is present at number 1. You can see the quality of the Wi-Fi here, how strong the signal is, or which channel the target channel is running on. What security is being used here, you can know all here. So here I am selecting my network, which is at number 1. Then here you set which interface you want to use for target tracking. So I want to use TP-Link adapter for full attack. So I am typing 1. Now here you select deauthentication method. Which method of deauthentication do you want to use, Air Replay or MDK4? So here I am selecting Air Replay, so I am typing 2. Then here you select which interface you want to use for monitoring and Wi-Fi jamming. So here I will use TP-Link, so I typed 1 again. Then here you select which method you want to use for Wi-Fi hash verification, aircrack-ng or cow patty. So here cow patty is the best, so I typed 2. Then you set the time here. After how much time the verifier will check the handshake, you set that time here. I selected 1 here, which will check the handshake after 30 seconds. Then you select here how the verification will be done. Here you will get these 2 options. I selected number 2, which is given in its recommendation. If your system configuration is good, then you can select the first one. Then the attack will start here. Here the deauthentication packets will be sent to the target network you set. That Wi-Fi will be jammed. As a result, all the devices connected to the target network will disconnect and try to reconnect, and in the meantime, the handshake will be captured. You can see on the screen that the handshake has been captured. After the handshake is captured, these 2 windows will be closed, and in this log window you can see that the handshake has been completely captured. The captured handshake will be in the Fluxion folder. I will show you this in a moment. Now we will extract the password of this handshake file through the evil twin attack. For this, I typed 1. To start the second attack. Now here I will select captive portal attack, which is number 1. You can see that the target I set is shown above. If you want to continue, type Y. Before that, let's see in which folder the captured handshake is located. To see this, first go inside the Fluxion folder, then inside attacks, then Handshake Snooper, then Handshake. This is where your captured handshake file will be. As I said, if you want to continue with this set target, type Y. So I'm doing yes here. Then you select your Wi-Fi interface for target tracking here. I will use my alpha adapter here. For this, I type 2 here. Then this adapter will be enabled in monitor mode. Then you select which interface you want to use for Wi-Fi jamming. Here I will also use the alpha adapter. I will use the TP-Link adapter only to create a fake access point. So I type 2. Then you choose which Wi-Fi adapter you want to use for the access point. For this, I want to use the TP-Link adapter. So I type 1. Then you choose which method you want to use for deauthentication. Air reply or MDK4. MDK4 is the best option for this, so I typed 1. Then you select here. Which method do you want to use for the access point service, host APD or airbase NG? For this, host APD is the best option, so I typed 1. Then you select the password verification method here. For this, which method do you want to use for password verification? Cow patty or aircrack-ng. For this, cow patty is the best, so I typed 1. Now you can see here the hash of the target access point that we have is found here. The handshake that we captured is detected here. If you want to use it, then type 1. And if your hash is in some other path, then you can select this second option and set the path of your handshake file. So here I am selecting option number 1, so I typed 1. Then you select the hash verification method. Here you want to verify using any hash method. So here also I will use cow patty, so I have typed 2. You can see here that the hash of the handshake file has been verified. Then it will ask you whether you want to create an SSL certificate for the portal or keep it inactive. You can set it according to your. Here I am creating an SSL certificate. For this, I have typed 1. Then here the SSL certificate will be generated. Then you select here how you want to keep the internet connection of your created portal, disconnected or emulated fake access point. I will keep it disconnected, so I am typing 1. Then you will get several options here to create a portal. You can create a portal for different routers here. I will use TP-Link portal here. For this, you will get different languages in which language you want to create the portal. I will create it in English, so I typed 68. Then the portal will be created and the attack will start. You can see that many windows have opened here, which will do different things. Another access point will be created here with the name of the target we set, and the Wi-Fi jamming attack will be active on the real access point. As a result, all the devices that were connected there will be disconnected. And when the user connects to our fake access point, a fake portal will open. It will behave like a fake firmware update. As you can see on my screen, the internet won't work if I try to browse anything else. This portal will come up frequently, and whenever the user enters any password here, this tool will verify that password with the captured handshake. If the password doesn't match, it will show the wrong password here. And whenever the user enters the correct password of the Wi-Fi, then the entire attack will stop, after verifying with the handshake. And here you can see that the password has been verified. Now the attack has stopped here. All these windows here are closed automatically here. Here is only the log window, which says where the password is saved. So you will also find this password inside the Fluxion folder. For this, go inside the attack folder, then open the captive portal, then the netlog folder. You will get the passwords that have been captured as the target. You can see that the password has been captured here. So this is how Fluxion tools work, and you saw how powerful tools it is to hack Wi-Fi. And if you are interested in ethical hacking cybersecurity, then subscribe to our channel and stay with us.